All roads, mag-ano nga ako. Yung kung gusto kong sumasa, screenshot. So, boom, wala kang super pass, boom. Boom, wala kang super pass. So, yan. Wala kang super.
I am stuck with this.
Gusto nyo ba ng super pass? Gusto nyo ng super pass?
A wise man submits to circumstances.
Let me guess. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna
No,
die.
you're not gonna die. You're gay.
No, because
Gay don't
I am
die.
a... If I die, because I'm not dead.
Ka? The fuck? Hey, you! You, why did you kill my baby? What the fuck?
Guys, if I die, please don't report my body. I'm not dead if I
Yes,
die.
I will report. Yes, I will report your body.
I am not
I
dead
will
if I
report
die.
your body.
Because I'm a magician. I'm still alive with that.
Oh my god, you're a
Trying to hide my
magician.
body to be safe.
Hide your butt. I will report it.
I'm trying to
Guys,
hide.
Do you want to have
I'm
a
trying
super
to
pass?
hide my body so no one reports it.
Yan ang super pass, guys.
Who reports it? I'm dead. For real.
Mangingi kayo dun sa white.
I don't care!
I will report
Please
the
don't
body.
report my body after 20 seconds. If I don't respawn at 20 seconds, that means I'm dead.
Oh, okay. Okay. I will report your body.
But if my body disappeared, that means I'm still alive. Because I need
Okay.
to survive. Bro, I die a lot with magician. I already told the others to not report my body, but they reported. So I die every time.
You, body, I will protect your body, Crimson Red. I will protect your body. Trust me.
I'm just gonna hide it somewhere.
Oh,
No.
you can trust
I
me.
cannot be
I will
reported.
protect your body.
Wait, hold on. Where's my task again? Wait.
You can use me to protect your body. I will protect your body. I promise I will protect your body.
You people data.
Dad. Oh my god! Why are you dead? Someone killed him! Someone killed him, guys! Someone killed him! I think it's a ninja. I think it's a ninja. Someone killed him. Let's vote Brown.
Someone killed him.
I'm sorry, Crimson Red. I can't save you.
Iwan mo yan.
Right? You can now die in peace. Because your body is in heaven. We already buried your body. So now you can rest in peace. You go watch us. Watch us outside the ship. When you're a ghost, you can watch over us and you can scare the impo to not kill us. You understand that?
Ilan tapon na lang natin sa
Okay,
break
okay.
na to. Kill prize.
Golden is very sus. Saksakin kita.
Tapos natapon.
Tangina mo. Gag. Ay, cutie potato.
Ito na.
Ano yan?
Ito sunod, ah. Ito sunod. Ito sunod.
Tama ka rito sa akin.
Ayan, may nagayos na.
Uy, Gito ka.
Patayan, labas kayo sa... Nagawa ko ng tasa, huwag kang pabintang dyan. Nakaipon ko lang.
Black.
Lahat na nabintang mo. Green daw, tapos sunod si Red.
Ano sunod ka rin?
Sunod daw si Red, sunod si Red.
Ano sunod ka rin?
Ayan, ayaw na ako gumalaw. Lag na ako. Red kasi. Ay, yung time master na yan. Putik na time master. Tika na yun. Visit ng time master yan. Huwag nyo na yung time master. Pahamak yan. Congrats, Mickey.
Ako yung time master. Sino nagbigay ng to?
Oh, red na, red na.
Anong red? Time master nga ako.
Visit ka, pahamak ka.
Hindi na buhay ba? Kala ko puputok na.
4 seconds na lang.
Ano ba yung nangyari? Red is very suspicious. Huwag kininap, dog.
Lagi, sino ba ibabot? Yellow daw.
Yellow daw muna. Bago sa black. Black tayo.
Hey, sunod yun talaga yan si Red Pahamak.
Taki na, wala pa rin.
Kita niyo, hindi na. Hindi daw
Huwag
siya.
ka magkalala mo. Sa atin. Ako na natin lahat.
Hindi pa lang yung natatakot ko. Tapos bakit ka nagpa-meeting, ah? Papavote ka na talaga, no?
Tapo na nga natin lahat. Block mo na tayo, block.
Black. Tapos, Black ah. Pag yan hindi talaga si Black, ikaw talaga sunod. Lagi na nga ako talo dyan sa Phantom na yun. Easy win eh.
Pink hit ka sa amin. I will protect
Ayaw ka
you.
pahamak ka. Protect. Ba't di mo na-protect yung isa? Di mo na-protect yung Crimson eh.
Hindi. Pinatay ng kasama ko yun eh. Pinatay ng kasama namin eh. Gago yun eh.
Nireport ako. Wala ka dyan. Mag-ikot-ikot ka mag-isa mo.
Tayo dalawa na lang aplak. Suntukan tayo. Punta ka rito sa amin. Kung may uubra ka sa akin, tangina ka. Sama mo pa yung bukangkan mo kung gusto mo.
Wala, sinakausap na ito. May baliw na din eh.
Putang ina talaga.
Umamin ka na talaga kung sino yung imp. Bago na ako, visit. Umamin na kayo, impul kayo. Isa ka na lang naman eh, umamin ka na.
May glutong na pa. Apa ba? May gluto ni pa, may gluto ni pa.
Ang daw, Brown.
Hindi kami kasi sanay dito sa Oloroms eh. Sarap.
Sama-sama kasi yung mga baliw. Uy, baliw na nga ako, huwag ka na rin sumama pa. Ayan, tapos na, visit!
Okay, kaya ako.
Ayan na naman! Kausapin mo yan, Red!
Lol.
Ay, Peg, sumama ka sa clan namin.
Masakit silong ko dyan, kausapin niyo yan.
Ay, Red, sumama ka sa clan namin. Bilis!